Okay, to achieve the flat twist that I want with my nice bush, I'm going to use the Denman brush, a rat tail comb, a wide toothed comb, a couple of clips for the hair, a simple, very effective water bottle, spritzer. You can get this at Best Pack. And then I'm going to use the Shea. Just want to zoom in so it can be nice and clear. There we go. Shea. I'm going to use the Shea just to coat the hair, to make sure that the product that I put on the hair, even though it gets absorbed into the hair, even though it's a good product, that it doesn't damage my hair. Okay, so because I need my hair to still be moisturized and so the curls can stay in a bit longer, and just to make sure the overall health of the hair strand and the integrity of it is maintained. Okay, so that's where the Shea comes in. And this over here, this right here, is the beauty. It's Shea Moisture with sucker inchi oil. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but it's got omega-3, 6 and 9, and it gives you like such a beautiful curl. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can holler at me and I will hook you up. Okay, you won't find it in the stores, so I ordered from a supplier. And then it doesn't have any sulfates, no parabens, no flatlets, no propylene glycol, sorry, no mineral oil, no animal testing, and that is just what I love about this product. Okay, and yeah, there you go. It's a beautiful product. It smells divine. You're going to see the nice super duper curls that it makes. It is really a good product. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Bam. Hello, it's me, Renee. I'm going to do my hair quick, and I'm going to do a flat twist with only a few products. And this is my way of doing it, and it works for me. You will have your own way, and you'll figure it out. And we're all here for the same thing, just to learn how to do our hair, our curly hair. So watch how I tame this wild bush into something that is nice and curly and sleek. And you can do it too. It's very easy. So first I'm going to do is water. I'm going to spritz everything. At this point, it's pretty boring stuff happening, but for some reason I decided to spritz so close to my eye, and I had mascara on. It went in my eye, it burned so bad, but luckily I was okay at the end of the day. So I pretended everything was fine, and it wasn't. I had to stop the video and actually go and rinse my eye out and start again. Tissue. Okay, so I'm back, y'all. I had to fix my eye. I am not Ruby Turner. I ain't going blind for nobody. So at this point, my hair was sectioned, and then I just started applying the product a little bit at a time and started with the flat twist. It is so simple. It's just like you apply it to your hair. Then you buy a pudding that actually curls your hair. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. Suppose I should use this. Just like to smooth the product through the hair evenly. And remember, when you're done with it, you will have to wash your brush. Okay. Do your thing, girl. Do your thing, girl. Boop. You want to get it like again, and to cover everything. To like put it in there. You get people that are surgical about this, they do it like they're doing it for TV. They are on point when it comes to this. So I'm just gonna do this. Go there, do that. I could see y'all. we'll check back later to see what this looks like. And I'm sure it's going to look beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste. What the hell? Okay, so I'm back. I'm getting ready to take it out because it kind of took too long to dry, and I need to go out. I need to go see some friends of mine. So I had to like put a little cap on, dry the hair out, and then I'm good to go. So I'm hoping that it will come out okay, like it normally does when I do my hair. So like I said before, it's all you. We're all here to learn. If you know a different way of doing it and you can tell me about it, I'm all ears, eh? Drop me a line. And yeah, let's see what it looks like. I'm going to use this Vida hair serum to try and open the hair. I'm only going to use a tiny bit. Okay, let's take off these rings, and then I'm going to open the hair. I'm basically just doing that so that I minimize the frizz on my hair, so it doesn't come out weird. As you can see, there's nothing. So we'll do again, a little bit more. Boop. A little bit bigger this time. As you can see, it's a tiny bit bigger. Okay, let's try this again. Just coat the hair like that, like that, like that, like that, and leave the rest on. We slowly uncoil it, like we did it. We simply loosen it again. Okay. So now the hair smells so weird, like that's ill. It smells like somebody had continuously farted. My word. Jeez, but we've had pollution, a pollution scare or pollution warning lately in Jersey. Oh, that's so bad, see? So I don't know, but it stinks like, ugh, yo.
Pretty.
Do I look pretty?
Yeah.
Yo, my daughter says I'm pretty, so I must be pretty because she don't lie. She don't lie. So, tell me what you guys think. Look, do you like my curl? Do you think I can do better? Do you like the, what do you call that stuff again? Well, that nice things that I used. I'll drop the link in the description box so you can also go buy it. And you can buy it from me if you like. I courier everywhere in South Africa, so you shake it out a little bit, just yay! Thank you. Stab you. Now we So this is the look. This is what I look like. So you guys can tell me what you think about it. Smash that like button, comment below, tell me what you think. Let's connect on Facebook, Instagram, and yeah, and please give me some tips and let me know. And if you want to order, you got my thing. Thank you so much, and also know that you're not alone. There's a whole community of support and information about natural hair. I know it is daunting when you start out. I know also that it is expensive, but there is ways around every single thing. You don't have to go for the most expensive product, but you have to go for a very good product that's not going to damage your hair. Otherwise it will just defeat the purpose goals. So let's do this. Let's get the natural community going. Let's connect with each other. Let's share information and let's build each other up. Thanks.